Grand awakening, Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. Great products are there. Your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. What have you been asking for? Spirit, God is saying, you got it. I'm going to give it to you. Write it down. Make it plain. Do not skip any spaces, because if you do, the rules in the universe is I have to fill in the spaces, and you may get something that you necessarily, not saying you don't want, but you didn't ask for. It might be a curveball within your personal or perfect realm of your imagination of how things are going to go. So make sure you take as much control over your life by being specific on every inch and facet of your life as you write down your manifestations and your blessings and what you're asking the Lord, God, Spirit, and universe. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs. Make it personal. I assert myself and retain my power. It's personal. I'm brave and gentle. I do not have to be afraid of others because I respect myself and I'm respected by others. You respect yourself, take care of your needs, make it plain. Therefore, how you carry yourself is in a respectful way. And those are just going to mimic you and also honor you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.